or welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on self-improvement tips and vlog. And in today's video, I and a special guest will be talking about unboxing, but we'll be unboxing Jumia package. I made orders from Jumia where they were having their Black Friday sales and also Chop Life Christmas sale, and I don't have video. I went away for a very long time and I didn't go with my camera. I just came back and said to film this unboxing video for you guys, and I want to see if you like it. Okay, but there'll be a twist to this video. As you can see, I have a special guest today. And introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Oma of Oma's Fragrance and I'm her sister.
Yeah, she's my junior sister. She's following me like
the second after her and me.
Yeah, she's my junior sister. So we're going to be unboxing together, but there's a twist to it. Do you want to guess? Anyways, from the title of the video, I know you already know the twist. So the twist is that she'll be guessing what is inside each package. I made orders on Jumia platform and she was not there, of course. So after receiving my package, I told her about the kind of twist I want, and she decided to join me in the video. Okay, so she'll be guessing each package and I'll be telling you she's wrong or right. We'll be busting it together as she gets. So there are some that is already transparent. She will know that one that is very cheap to get it. Now there are some that will be difficult for her. So let's see how many she gets. Out of 7 packages, 2 from them are transparent, so that won't be easy for her to guess. But the rest of the packages are not easy. So we'll see how many she will get the 5 correctly, or she's going to fail. So let's go right straight into this video. So guys, the first package is this electric oven, as you can see, and it's transparent, so definitely she knows what is inside.
I know, yes.
So what is inside?
An electric oven.
So this is very simple. We're starting from the big one to the little one. So this is electric oven, she knows. As you can see, look at it.
Wow, thank you, big sister.
So this is an electric oven. You can see there's no need to unbox it. It's very huge. I'm going to do the main unboxing of the oven in the kitchen. Then I'm going to bake with it to test it out. So that will be a different video entirely. So we are going to unbox the next package. So this is the next package. As you can see, it's transparent too. She must have guessed it.
Yes, I know. My sister already told us she will get us a steam iron, dude.
So she's like, this is a steam iron. You can see from the box is a steam iron. So I don't need to unbox that one. So let's move on to the next item. What is it? This is the next box.
I don't know, I'm not a witch.
You see, this one has carton, so definitely she's not going to know what is in here. So let's unbox. This is a dicer. This is a dicer.
Oh, so fine.
This is a dicer. Comes with 10 different type of cutters. So I'm going to unbox this one in a different video, and I will test it out and I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is 10 bucks, and I'm going to put the link of everything I got from Jumia in case you want to purchase them or you just want to view them and know the price. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. You can check it out. This is the next this is next item she will be guessing. What is this?
Let me see this.
See, this one is
Power bank.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, power bank. Power bank. What does she need the power bank for? You have power bank. It's like power bank.
Yay!
It's power bank.
No. This is a wireless microphone.
It looks like a power bank.
Those wireless microphone that you use on your phone, I need one. Like this one don't have wire. This one don't have wire. Unlike my former one I used, that one has wire. So this one is easier for me. And they said is
a noise reduction mic.
Yeah, they said it's a noise reduction mic. So we'll test this one and see.
Okay.
So we are unboxing the next item. Yes, I tell you want to do.
Let me feel it. I don't know, power bank again.
Wow. I'll be buying power bank. Because of Nigeria don't want to give us light. They don't say the light in Nigeria. Everyone that stays in Nigeria know the story. This is not a power bank. This is a light. This is a portable light for when I'm doing my record. I noticed that most of my videos are dark, so I'll be using this portable light. I can put it in my bag. This is a mini video light and it's very small and it's very portable. So this LED light, I'll be using it when I want to film videos on my phone. So as I look at it, and I can put it in my bag, take it anywhere I want to go to, and it's not heavy at all. So this is it. I'll test this out and I'll give you guys review. Every product I've got from Jumia, I'm going to give you guys review. It's going to last. So I'll test this out and see. You see it in my vlog definitely. You see the changes. Next item, please. So do you want to guess?
It's not a power bank, it had like one, I think a stand for camera.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Let's see.
God, let me be correct though.
Just face how many now. It's a stand.
Yes, I got it. Oh
Yes.
God, thank you, Jesus.
This is a stand for my phone. I said to get a new stand for my phone. She's correct. At least she got this one. Because, and she didn't check. One. She got to be one correct. Please, if you hear any noise, pardon me. There's lights. Any noise, whether it's cock noise or hen noise or background noise, any noise, just forgive me. I have a microphone now and it's Christmas and there's lights and there's noise everywhere. Please pardon me. I'm busting the last item. I guess. She needs to write this side. You don't need to write it anymore, so you cannot tell. See? She's just guessing only power bank. She knows I like power bank.
Microphone.
Tape. You don't know it's a tape. I don't tell you what kind of tape, but it's a tape. So that is all from the unboxing from us. Hope you enjoyed this little video and this unboxing with my sister. I just have to do this video so I can put it out there for you guys to watch. Let's not look as if I've not uploaded anything for a long time. You guys know I'm good. I'm all good. I'll see you in my next video. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. Also like and share this video. Leave your comments on anything. Leave your comments in the comment box. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.